Hey y'all, it's Alberto at Broston Mobile Homes, and today we're going to talk about building codes. Depending on where you're deciding to build your new home, the city or county will have different building codes that they require for that property. Although we use the term mobile home in our company name and most of the content we put out, what we officially build are manufactured homes. This means that these homes meet all of the requirements put out by the Department of Housing and Urban Development and would be tagged with a red label from the factory. HUD code was implemented after 1976 to make sure that all the factories that build these homes meet a national federal standard with regards to quality and safety of the homes. Some of the properties we build on are unrestricted, which means you can build any home you want on that property, including a factory-built home built prior to 1976. Other properties may require that any new construction meet at a minimum the federal HUD standards. Other properties may require that any new construction meet the modern HUD requirements. HUD homes are built specifically for single-family residents. So aside from safety and quality standards, HUD requires that builders build homes that families can live in the day they're delivered. This means that our factories aren't allowed to let homes leave the factory that are missing things like kitchens or bathrooms. On some properties, especially those getting closer to the cities, local building codes may require what's called modular construction. Modular homes are built in the exact same factories as manufactured homes, and in many cases look exactly like their manufactured home counterpart. The difference is modular construction is designed to meet the local site-built code, and these homes are required to be attached to a permanent concrete foundation. The cost of going modular can run up the tab on your new home quite a bit. The cost of going modular can increase the price of a home anywhere from $12,000 to $20,000. So it's really important to check the local building code to make sure that that's required before designing and building your brand new home. Since a home built as a manufactured home would look the exact same as a home built as a modular, you want to make sure that that's a city requirement before spending an extra $20,000. For more information on the different building codes, check out our resource tab on our website at www.findmymobilehome.com or give us a call at 210-874-5527. As always, don't be shy with any questions you may have. We look forward to hearing from you. We'll talk to you soon.